Hello Odooers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. So in this video, I will show you how to show a notification message directly from a Python method in Odoo using ir.actions.clientAction and the display notification tag. So let's understand it step by step. So step 1, modify the method to return a notification. So into the object mol.mol, we already have a method action underscore open. So now we modified the method and return with notification message. So here I uncomment this part and add into the action underscore open method. So here type ir.actions.client triggers the front-end behavior of the Python. Tag display notification shows the notification message. Then this is the title of the notification message. So I write mol open. Then into the message key, we have to write the whatever the message we want to display into the notification message. So here I write the mol has been successfully opened. Then this type key control over the color. So here success means it will show green color into the notification message. Warning means it will show orange color into the notification message. Then danger means it will show a red color into the notification message, and info means it will show blue color into the notification message. Then I write next key to close the window. So step 2, restart the server and upgrade module. So we already defined method into the form view of XML file. Now we restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. Now I click on this record and click on the open button. So here you can see it will show the notification message. So this is the title of the message and this is the message that we already defined into the Python method, and it will display the green color because we said type is success. Now I close this window and here you can see the record goes into the open state. So this is how you can show notification message in Odoo.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.